Welcome to a product demonstration of FileSequence. To start, define your application name, its source folder, and the programming language that your app uses. Currently, we support JavaScript, but we are working to support Python and Go too. In here, you can configure extensions and modules we'll use to solve the dependency graph. Lastly, select which folders you want to be parsed to generate the dependency graph. Switch between light and dark mode. Go to the app configuration so you can change it, adding or removing new extensions, modules, or new aliases. In the Explorer view, you can select any file from your code to see its dependencies. Notice that this one has both dependency and import dependencies. Any item in the import group can be further expanded if it has dependencies. To the left, you can see what other files in your code uses the selected file. In the dependency table, you can sort by type, name, and used quantity. They have ascending and descending order, which you can toggle by clicking on the column header. Expanding any row will show what is used from that dependency, which will be another table. Expanding that inner row will show what files in your code uses it. Another helpful feature we have is the possibility to integrate with GitHub or GitLab to visualize code changes from branches of your repository. By configuring it, you can start seeing merge request or pull requests. You'll see a list which you can click to see its details and visualize what changed, like new files being added, modified, or deleted. You can also select any file to render its graph, where you can see what impact the change have in your code, and below a table showing all used dependencies of that file.